What's up everybody? Welcome back to another Rad and Dad channel video, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. For those of you who have watched other videos, yes, I'm in the same exact clothing. That is because I'm doing an install back to back because I have time today and the weather is actually not terribly hot in the garage, you know, the temperature and stuff, so deal with it. Let's roll that intro.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a thing that you found.
Bags are open. You saw the thumbnail. You obviously know what we're doing, but we're doing some liners. Now, here's the reasoning I got liners. One, it's got little pockets. It's easier to put. I can put like a hand sanitizer because I hate germs. You put, hand sanitizer. You can put a phone if you're traveling with somebody. They want to put their phone back there. Just little stuff. You know, if you got like a kit, maybe like with some tire plugs or whatever, just you can organize it a lot better. And then the other big reason is because the interior of these are plastic. So if you put a heavy metal water bottle in there, or a tire inflator, or a tool, or a wrench or something, the longer you go down the road, the longer that's gonna shake a little bit, and it's gonna wind up defacing the inside of that bag, getting particles everywhere, just scratching off that surface. These are only plastic, guys. So I went with Hogworkz, Hogworkz, not Hogwarts. Hogwarts doesn't make saddlebag stuff, they make magic things. So, I can't believe I said that. So I went with Hogworkz. They have a bunch of different colors. Bam! I went with that purple stitching. Now I think this looks really cool. I think it obviously matches, I think it's a fact that it matches with the bike. It just looks really good, and it's just a high quality material. They're under 200 bucks. They got to my door shipped within 3 or 4 days from when I ordered it. So yeah, now they do come with kits, or it does come with a little kit for a adhesive Velcro, because you have the male Velcro on this side. So I don't know if it's hook and loop, but I never remember which one is which. So I say male and female just because that's it's the times we're living in with me right now. So obviously they're bag specific. They have cutouts. Actually, let me get you a little closer. They have cutouts for the knobs, like the little bolts for putting the bag on. So you put those on and then Velcro wherever else you want. But you can see there's a pocket in the front. There's a pocket in the side. I think it's just those two pockets. Yeah, there's two pockets, but it also provides a huge, barrier between the bag and whatever you're putting in there, and it looks cool. So if you're at a gas station and you're popping something out, or at a rally and you're popping something out of the bag, or you got a new girl and she's putting stuff in the bag and she opens the bag, she sees this, yeah, she's gonna dig you. All right, so we're gonna toss this one just right there for a second because gotta work with the other one. But pretty simple. Just drop it in there. We're gonna take these off because, again, it has holes for those. Again, that's with the Velcro, it's really gonna make sure that stuff sits, like that'll sit right up there. There's another Velcro here, so that'll cinch that there. Velcro there, it'll cinch that there. I'm not gonna do it right now because I got some other stuff to do, but you are gonna make sure that you, just with like an alcohol wipe or like a Windex or whatever, just wipe the inside of the bag wherever you put that adhesive Velcro. And I will show you guys the kit. Look at how much Velcro there is. There's so much Velcro. There's short ones pre-done. There's these long ones you can put. You can put a whole strip along there. I mean, there's just so much Velcro. You're never gonna run out of it, when you're doing this install. So just to show you guys kind of what it looks like. Tighten up these bolts. And the bag still closes very easy. Latched on both sides, opens, and there you go. And again, we're not Velcroed yet, so Velcro is gonna make everything look just even nicer, kind of better put together, but you got a nice little pocket over here that has some kind of foam on it. The whole thing is covered in a little bit of foam. Pocket up here. It's just gonna really help you organize stuff a little bit better, and just really adds a little bit of a razzle-dazzle to the bags. All right, guys, I know that was a very short video, but super easy product to install, and I wanted to dedicate a video to it because I wanted to give this product just as much as a spotlight as I give other products, plus pretty much everything I have on my bikes, I always do a video on anyway. Link for this product will be in the description. Unfortunately, I personally have no coupon codes for them unless Hogworkz, you wanna reach out and give me a coupon code to send to people and share the love, that'd be cool. But other than that, yeah, very easy, very high quality, very quick shipping. Nothing but good things to say about this product, and they have so many they have color combos, like you can get different leather. It's just so many different color combinations. Pretty much whatever your bike is, whether it's custom or not, you'll be able to find something. They have very different years. They're obviously up with the current years because this is a 25 Road Glide. They have bags for that. They have inserts for different styles of bags as well as different stock styles of bags. Lots of stuff. So that's gonna be it. Like the video, turn on post notifications, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. It helps me out. It really does help the channel, and I do appreciate it. We're back to Harley stuff. I still got the MT07 behind you guys in front of me, and I have no intention of selling that yet, but I don't know. The more I ride this Road Glide, the more fun it is, and I don't know, maybe somewhere down the line I'll wind up selling the MT07, even though it's a super fun bike. This new Road Glide, they did such a good job with it, and I don't know, it's super fun to ride. Anyway, like the video, notifications, all that. Please check out the links in the description. This build list, or build playlists, you know, build series for different bikes, all bikes that I've ever had that I've done work on, coupon codes, Instagram, TikTok links, anything like that. I appreciate you guys very much for watching. Thank you, and until the next time, ride safe, have fun. Dad out.